With this homework problem, the wording is just a little bit different, so I want to show you how to work this one out. It says the lengths of pregnancies are normally distributed with a mean of 268 days and a standard deviation of 15 days. Find the probability of a pregnancy lasting 307 days or longer. If the length of the pregnancy is in the lowest 2%, then the baby is premature. Find the length that separates premature babies from those who are not premature. So for part A, essentially the same thing that we've been doing with the other examples I showed you. Part B is a little bit different. So we'll take a look at both parts A and B. So now with part A, I want to find the probability of a pregnancy lasting 307 days or longer. So we have a normal distribution here. So I'm going to go to Stat, Calculators, and then Normal. Now I'm going to go ahead and input the mean. So the mean says 268 days and a standard deviation of 15 days. So we were finding the probability that will last longer than 307 days. So I'm going to change this to greater than or equal to. I want to find the probability that's going to be greater than or equal to 307 days. Okay, click on compute. And now it gives us our probability right over here. So we have 0.0047. Now for the next problem, babies who are born on or before blank days are considered premature. So now it's telling us, let's go back to the original problem, what it says. It says if the length of a pregnancy is in the lowest 2%, then the baby is premature. So I have to figure out how many days separates the lowest 2% from the upper 98%. So what we are given here is the area. We're given 2% is on the left-hand side. Remember, 2% as a decimal is 0.02. So this I have an area of 0.02 to the left of however many days separates the bottom 2% from the top 98%. So since this is the area to the left, I'm going to change this to less than or equal to. And now this tells me how many days right over here. And now it's saying round to the nearest integer as needed. So rounding to the nearest integer means the ones place. So in the ones place I have a 7, and the number to the right of it is less than 5. So I'm going to keep the 7 the same. So this tells us 237 days is the number of days that separate premature babies from babies that are not premature.